Brother, what's that?
We're not a fucking husky. Get in the house. Mimic, come on.
What did you do? Oh my god.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food. Oh! Oh!
Ollie, come inside. Come on. Come.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
What the fuck? Don't flip!
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Like,
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
No bite.
Take his ass outside. Take him outside for you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okay. Come on. Sit. Zipa, you don't get a treat till she sits.
What do you think? Does that look like you?
Guys, stop. Just kidding. Get him! Get him!
No! Get off your sister! What is it?
Can you get any closer? Oh, shit.
The hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made us this part of this baby.
did you poop on the floor? Oh, it's okay. You don't have to cry.
Can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Boy, did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Would you want to get a bath?
You look like a potato.
What? No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Hey, don't you bark at me, bitch!
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho.
Son!
Man, good hanging out, brother.
Ready, kid? Another one.
She. Oh. If you eat this piece of pizza, you don't make it into heaven.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Hello, baby. Oh!
Okay.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
She said, I just told you, just knock it.
Knock it off.
Can you wag your tail? Thank you.
Randy, let her give me a kiss.
Paw.
Allowed on the bed, you. No! Love you.
Bye bye.
What's wrong?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oh, we won't pick up my toe. Oh, shit.
Frankie, you can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. You look like a potato.
You're my little good boy.
You're a good boy. That's it, you're a good boy. That's...
You be my Valentine.
No, she doesn't do this. It's okay. It's okay.
If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
Then what happened?
And what I'm saying, kiss me if yes. Do you think I'm pretty? Kiss me if yes.
If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Butt. Let me spank that butt.
Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
What's wrong? The door is... Mars. Mars.
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show off. Did you miss Elena?
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god.
Did you change your mind? Would you like to come inside? It's all snowy. Hello? Hello?
Text John to 642-642. Ask about the Bosley guarantee.
I got you. As your friend and as your wheelchair.
Oh my god.
She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama. Oh. Oh.
Catch it.
Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
Ah. ¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina. Mijito, bebito.
De la cintura y posteriormente hacer una revisión en donde va a subir el olfato.
I can't walk past this snake. I can't walk. Whoa!
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, baby. Oh! Who's?
Cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Boy, did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Titan. Did you eat the cookie crisp?
Baby.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh.
Lock the door, no!
Okay.
Show everyone how you smile. Show me your cheese. Oh my god.
I can't walk. Whoa!
High five. Too slow.
Oh my.
What's wrong? Give me your palm. Let me see. Oh no.